So Waikawa Marae is located in Te Tauihu, the top of the south, in Picton. Our marae is, I think it's about 2.5 hectares, and our wharekai is at the back of Waikawa Marae. So we had already had a wharekai established at the back, which Glenys Payne takes care of, one of our kaumātua out there. So basically with the Kōanga Kai, we wanted to extend it so that we were able to grow more in our wharekai to supply the wharekai and any surrounding community that we could. With our extension, we've been in the Kōanga Kai initiative. This is our second year of funding. So the first year of funding we were able to set up irrigation and water tanks, raise garden beds, build a greenhouse, which helped us with seedlings and giving those out to our surrounding whānau and community. Being able to get local schools, community groups such as Enviro Hub to the wharekai and do more of a group effort. When we went through COVID, we recognised that there were whānau that were just used to buying kai from supermarkets and they didn't have any self-sustenance at home with growing kai, so to be able to do the Kōanga Kai, give them mobile garden beds, they were able to grow some of their own veggies at home, which helped them feed their whānau, which has been an important part of getting some of our whānau through COVID.
During lockdown and that, we would plant like mushrooms, watermelon, pumpkin, all the kai for our whānau and that's whakoha.
We had a disconnection with some of the local kura coming up to the marae, so kids always love getting their hands dirty in a wharekai, so they would be able to engage with the marae and also learn about the maramataka and just connect and come back to Waikawa.
The procedures were different, so like we had to do like a little karakia, wash our hands. Our wharekai is about gifting and koha, sharing to all of our whānau, showing them what we have done, being proud of it, knowing that it's going to get put to good use. It's just a good feeling.
So Waikawa Marae would like to thank Te Pūtahitanga for their continued support with the Kōanga Kai initiative and helping us tautoko our whānau and community.